Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, where the news is that yesterday's Crown accounts to February and the related monthly update on Treasury's outlook now mean the government will need to deliver a very tight budget indeed if it wants its revenue to exceed its spending in the 2014-15 year. The tax take is falling below previous estimates, and the Prime Minister has signalled that a zero budget, that is a zero increase in spending budget, is what they are targeting in May for the 2012-13 year, to try and keep a lid on the current run of deficit spending. We have more of this story online. The March update of the property report is out, and that shows the New Zealand property market is very much a seller's market. Inventory levels have fallen again, and in 13 of 19 regions, sellers have the power, says Alistair Helm of realestate.co.nz. There is much more detail on our website, and we'll have an interview with Alistair Helm going up soon with more analysis. Meanwhile, overseas, unemployment in the Euro region rose to the highest level in more than 14 years, and manufacturing contracted for an eighth month, adding to signs the European economy is probably slipping into recession in the first quarter. In contrast, across the Atlantic, manufacturing in the US expanded at a faster pace in March, driven by gains in employment and production that signal the world's biggest economies underpinning global growth. The US news, combined with positive Chinese manufacturing data, has seen risk settings return to markets. The oil price has recovered as quickly as it fell last week, along with gold in the Dow, and the Kiwi dollar is back up to 82.5 US cents. The 13-week gains the Kiwi dollar has racked up against the Aussie dollar looked like they were ending yesterday, but in overnight trade our currency resumed its climb back towards the 80 Australian cent mark. We'll be watching today's RBA rate review announcement closely, and we'll have an update at about 4:30 this afternoon. I'm David Chaston, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.